The Mesa family was going on a trip, and they hired Lindsay to house sit. They found Lindsay online. She seemed dependable.
You have nothing to worry about.
They had only one request.
Absolutely no guests.
Understandable.
Okay?
But as soon as the couple were history,
I'll see you in 2 weeks.
Lindsay got busy.
Hey, baby, come over. They just left.
Minutes later, she and her boyfriend Mike were soiling the sheets. But then, a voice.
It's a question of honor.
The Mesas had forgotten to tell Lindsay about their cockatoo.
All right, that's just weird.
Do you not want to make out with me right now?
Lindsay didn't care. She still wanted Mike's cockadoodle-doo.
Get on her and stay on her.
All right, I'm gonna go get a beer. This is awkward. Okay.
It's just a bird.
There are thousands of birds, and only some of these can actually have mimic human speech. For example, the ones we know are the parrots. That's everything from the macaws down to the cockatiels. I think there's one bird that knows, I think it's 1,000 words in its vocabulary, which is a huge amount, and that's more than most high school kids in some countries, you know.
Lindsay thought a cracker might shut Polly's beak.
You bird! I hate you! Oh, no, you bird!
Lindsay was screwed if she didn't get the bird back in its cage.
Come here. Oh, you are so annoying.
She almost got him, but then the parrot took wing.
Get your hands off me, you dirty skank.
Lindsay took off.
When she fell onto the glass table, cutting her carotid artery, blood was going from her heart directly through her carotid artery and out onto the ground. Because of the adrenaline released into her body, her heart rate was accelerated immensely, so therefore she lost blood even faster than she would have normally.
Lindsay lied to get into people's houses.
You have nothing to worry about.
But after she lost the homeowner's cockatoo, fate stepped in and flipped her the bird.